Kung Hei Pat Choi in Cantonese and Gong Chi Pat Chai in Mandarin. So, ang ibig kong sabihin ng mga salitang yan ay congratulations and I wish you prosperity coming new year. We say yes to Chinese food, but we say no to any form of Chinese military aggression. So we love Chinese food, but we Filipinos, I personally, we firmly condemn any form of Chinese military aggression and bullying of our military and civilians in the West Philippine Sea. Alam niyo naman po yung mga nangyayari tungkol dyan, no? Kung nanonood kayo ng TV, nakikita natin yung mga ginagawa ng mga Chinese sa West Philippine Sea. So all I can say is as a Christian bishop, let's all pray and hope for a peaceful resolution and truthful, not insincere and deceitful dialogue between the two. What we want is a peaceful resolution and of course, as I said, truthful, makatotohanan, punong-puno ng katotohanan. Hindi po yung insincere, not sincere, and deceitful. Pag sinabi natin deceitful, gaya po yan ang ginawa ng mga Japanese during World War II, no? If you know history, World War II, the Japanese were having dialogue with the Americans, but at the same time, their naval forces and their air force are on the way to attack Pearl Harbor. So, we don't like, we abhor that kind of dialogue, insincere and deceitful dialogue. Nakikipag-usap o nakikipag-dialogue kuno, pero after the so-called dialogue, wala namang mga changes na nakikita in